we have another beautiful model, and we're gonna create a nice long layer for our beautiful model. It's gonna be uneven for our gorgeous model. As you could see, it's really soft and thin right here. So we're gonna create it, makes it as much as possible volume, especially here also. We're gonna lift it a little bit so she can, after she style it, so we can show it, she has a lot of more hair. Stay tuned in 10 minutes and you could watch after haircut. Thank you, Chef Tracy. All right, as you could see, we finished our beautiful model with a lot of nice texture. Look, she's more chic now. You know, with a very nice haircut, you always can change the personality, you can change and create it. I add a lot of texture. If you remember, it was so thin right here and it was flat. So now we could see the movement and all the texture. And then you could see the back, how full and nicely blended all the layer without thinning. So even we make it more fuller and it's more shaggy for her. And we could see the smile on our beautiful model, right? See? I can see the smile. Thank you very much.